Hello, sir. Do you have time, or do you have time?
Yeah, go for it.
All right, great. I am here with,
Darowizny
and where are you coming from, sir?
from Windsor, Ontario.
Oh, and how long have you been here?
8 days and 3 hours.
Let's go. Let's go. What does this protest, what does this convoy mean to you? What is it all about?
What it means to me? Maybe my hope for freedom. I lost my house, devastated. I lost my job. I am the only provider in the family. So there is no way back for me. I'm going home glorious like Caesar or in a body bag.
Let's go. And I'm sensing an accent.
From Romania. I born in Romania and my nationality is Hungarian. So I speak 2 languages and I broke the English.
Right. And everything going on, what does it remind you of in this country?
Revolution, what we have in Romania, when we take out our dictator, the Ceausescu, if you guys remember that.
I don't remember nearly as well as you.
I was 18 when I was hauling an axe on the streets back in Romania.
Wow. So how does that compare to Canada? Are we very polite compared to that, or what?
Well, it's quite a while, but I never felt the way I feel right here. All these people get united. You know, I gotta say this. Somebody from Quebec came to me and he said, you know what, I'm from Quebec. And until now, I always said I'm a Quebecian, but now I become a Canadian.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
So, in one way, we have to say thank you to Justin Trudeau because he made this happen. All these people came together. You know, all this love what's on the street, we can thank him.
Thanks, Justin Trudeau. Yes. Thank you so much for that. You made us all come together. It's beautiful. Do you watch the news in this country?
I try to stay away from the fake ones.
Yeah.
But when I have time, yes.
And have you seen how they're covering this protest?
Oh, it's like nothing happens here. A couple days ago, the CTV came and they tried to make picture from the empty street. People, they got so mad, they kind of kicked them home. That was awesome. Because they didn't turn to see where the real action is. No, they film empty streets. Like probably say, oh, it's not that bad. Something like that or whatever, I don't know.
A little bit dishonest, a little bit.
Yes, not a little bit, big time.
There are people who see these reports and they actually think it's a fringe, they actually believe it's a fringe minority or that it's like racist. What would you say to people who think that?
Man, I have friends from any color. I have Spanish people, Chinese people, all kind of colors. I have lots of friends and they are great. So there is no racism here. No, not at all.
And let's say you were prime minister. Let's say you're prime minister. Other than ending the mandates and other than ending restrictions, what would be your #1 priority after that? You're prime minister.
Okay, I will put some washroom on the street because there is nothing right now. Okay, that's a joke. No. Well, I will totally end this mandate. Okay, I will pack all the vaccine, send them from wherever they came from, and I will say sorry for the previous government what they did with the people. You know, because they break so many lives. You know. So many people, they lost their job. They hope, but I hope everything is coming back now.
You hear that, Trudeau? We would be apologizing for you. I would vote for you, sir. And one last question. Who is Justin Trudeau's daddy?
Castro.
Yeah.
They look alike. They definitely look alike.
I don't disagree with that.
I'm wondering when I'm going to hear him talking Spanish on the TV, other than French and English. That will be nice. You know.
And Any last things you want to say to Canadians or about the Canadian pride you're feeling right now?
Well, I want to tell Canadians to do not lose hope. I came here to Ottawa. I was delivering hope, and I'm gonna go back with freedom. So I'm gonna have a load back home too.
Yeah.
So don't lose hope.
It's already over.
Because we are not leaving. No, we are not leaving. And by the way, I'm gonna be the very last truck leaving Ottawa, the very last one. And I mean it.
Trudeau, just end the mandates. You know, we can all get home early. Like, that would be great if you just did that for us. That's amazing.
You guys need anything? Like food, drinks?
Oh, no, we're great. Have you been getting a lot of donations from people? Or?
Oh, yes, I also get money. Man, one day, somebody walked to me with $50, and I said, thank you very much. I don't need your money. He said, it's not my money. A stranger gave him $5,000 to spread it to the people. Man, can you believe that?
Yeah. There's a lot of big donations and big hearts behind the scenes.
Oh, yeah. Even an older lady, poorly dressed, came to me with $20. I didn't want to accept it, but she didn't want to walk away with those.
Wow.
You know.
It's so beautiful, everything happening here. I could talk to you all day.
So touching. Since I'm here, I cried like 978 times already.
Come on. 900 times?
Oh, probably even more.
That's beautiful.
I wear sometimes my sunglasses just to cover my eyes.
Oh, that's adorable.
Yeah, it's amazing, man. I never thought Canada can do such a thing like that.
How are the cops treating you? Are they trying to kick you out or what?
Well, no, not really. Since I'm here, first night I spent it at the War Museum. In the morning I have to drive through the blockade. Then over there it was another one. I drive through that too. They are okay. They are nice guys. As long as you don't act like a fanatic crazy guy. And you gotta know, a couple days ago at noon, I was talking with the police officer, and after like a 50 minutes conversation, both we was crying over there. Both
Police officers were.
The police officer and me. He was lucky because his face mask, you know, his tears stopped right there. But mine was dripping from here. At noon, right there, here in the middle. I went to ask him a question, and we was talking. We came to a point, both of us, we was crying. So,
What were you guys crying over?
please, don't make me cry. I don't want to... About the whole thing, the whole movement, the people, and...
The sense of community and.
Yes, that's wonderful what's here. Yeah. You can feel the love in the air, man. Yeah. I mean it, man. Man, it's something I cannot, you know, with my broken English, I can't even turn it to a word. But it's a great feeling, and I'm glad I'm part of this.
Thanks so much for your time, sir. Thank you so much.
Stay warm.